Susan. Today I'm participating in a Deck the Halls with Vintage Christmas hosted by Carol of My Blessed Nest. Now I'm not 100% sure my stuff is vintage, but some of it looks vintage to me, but it is thrifted, and I love thrifting, but I don't know exactly what I'm looking for yet. I'm learning. So I'll show you what I have. The first thing I have is this beautiful lamp. You put a bulb in there. I tried a bulb, but it just flashed and it went off, so I'm not sure if the bulb was bad, I didn't have another bulb, or if it's a short in the cord. But either way, it should be easy to replace. And you see $5 on this. I paid $2.50 for this, and I think it is beautiful. See if you can get a better look at it. But it's the nativity and the light will shine down. And I got this vase. I think it is gorgeous. And I only paid $2.50 for it also. I got these at Habitat for Humanity, and they had a sale where everything that was $5 and less was half price. I love getting the sales like that. I did that once before, and I had gotten up to the counter, and then I had to turn around and go back once I found it was half price. But I think that is so beautiful, and it's just a vase. I got this little ornament. Now, to me it looks more fall, and I'll probably use it like on my fall tiered tray. But it is just, I think it was darling. I love birds anyway. And speaking of birds, this I'm pretty sure is not vintage. Oh, and I only paid $0.25 for this. This I paid 50 cents. It was originally $1. And I'm pretty sure it's not vintage, but I just thought it was adorable. I love birdsy, like I said, but it has a light inside to shine through the stars, and I think that's just gorgeous. I haven't tried it out yet though. These, they have hangers like they're ornaments, but they're open in the back, so I kind of think there may be votive holders. But I think they're so cute, the little penguin and the snowman. And I have lots of snowmen. I collect snowmen. So speaking of which, I got this. I don't know if you can see it. Got all their little children, little snow children. But I think it's cute, and I only paid $0.25 for this. Oh, and these I only paid half of $0.25, $12.50, so $0.25 for two of them. This I paid $0.25, and it is a votive holder, and it's got Noel and the cutout. I don't know if you can, Joy and Noel. And here's another snowman, and he looks vintage to me. He's got the little open bag in the back. There's no markings on the bottom, but I paid $0.25 for him. And this little fella, he just said, take me home. I don't know how anybody could leave him in the thrift store. Look at that face. And I paid, I think I paid 50 cents or $0.25 for him because his price was gone. It seemed like I asked. I think I ended up paying $0.25 for him. I think I paid 50 cents for him. And this isn't vintage. I mean, this is vintage, but it wasn't thrifted. It was my grandmother's. It's the one thing I could get my hand on. This was my daddy's mom. She passed away in, I think it was 80 or 81. And I was blessed to have gotten this. And I've worn it like on my jacket or sweaters and stuff for years. And I have stuff that is vintage. Not a lot of stuff, but a little bit of stuff that from my parents and grandparents, but I just couldn't get my hands on it. But it wasn't thrifted, so. But the last thing I got, I had to It reminded me so much of Carol when I saw it. And I got this box full of candle rings. And they are so pretty. There's 2 of the apples. There's 2 of the little packages. And 1 of the poinsettias. And they go on the taper candles. But I thought they were so pretty. And this whole box cost $0.25, Carol. I hope you enjoyed this thrift haul. I know it may not have been exactly what we were asking for, but I'm not a professional thrifter. But I'm learning. Any tips I will take. Leave in the comments down below. So I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to check out Carol's channel and be sure to check out the playlist. I have it listed in the description box down below. So until next time, bye y'all.